Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 646. We're opening one box of 1415 ITG Ultimate Vault Memorabilia. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended May 24th at 10:59 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 14 past 11 a.m. Monday, May 25th. That's Eastern Time, local time in Toronto, Ontario. One box, ITG 1415. One of one's Ultimate Vault. Here we go. Camera up in here. Here we go. First card. Let me get my zoom a little better here. Ultimate day in hockey history. Jean Béliveau and Raymond Bourque. Wow, one of one. Beautiful card. So we've got February 11th, 71. Béliveau scored 500 goals. February 11th, 2000. Bourque became the second defenseman to score 1,500 points. So card will be randomized between Montreal and Boston at the end of the break. Beautiful card. Next, Peter Forsberg's patch, Colorado. Nice two-color patch. Patch game used, Peter Forsberg Avalanche jersey. The card goes to Colorado. Oh, this is nice. Days gone by, 70-71. Jean Béliveau, Bobby Clarke, Daryl Sittler, and Gilbert Perreault. Montreal, Philadelphia. Toronto, Buffalo. So card will be randomized between Montreal, Philadelphia, Toronto, and Buffalo. I've got it written on the front, but I guess it says on the back too. Game used pieces of Béliveau, Montreal, Bobby Clarke, Philly, Philadelphia, Sittler, Toronto, and Perreault, Sabres. So we got two cards to be randomized. Okay, so let me just put this one on the bottom. I'm already set up on random.org, like always. So let me just do a little move to my second screen. There we go. We're on random.org under the list randomizer. Card will be randomized 3 times. Team that's on top the third time wins the card. For those unfamiliar with this procedure, all the information is available on my description page. First card to be randomized between Montreal and Boston. Béliveau and Bourque. Beautiful card. So here we go. First on card. We got Montreal. Second, Boston. Double check. First on card, Montreal. Same thing in the back. First on card, Montreal, then Boston. Here we go. Randomize once. Get my camera a bit higher. We got Boston on top. Randomize twice. Random 2 times. We got Montreal on top and a 3rd time. Boston is on top. You have randomized this list 3 times. Boston wins this card. Okay, next off. Get a new list. We've got Montreal, Philadelphia, Toronto, and Buffalo in that order, and we've got the same order in the back listing the game jerseys. So Montreal, Philadelphia, Toronto, Buffalo. So here we go. Montreal, Philadelphia, Toronto, and Buffalo. Triple check. Montreal, Philadelphia, Toronto, and Buffalo. Here we go. Randomize once. We've got Buffalo on top. Twice. Buffalo on top. You have randomized this list 2 times. And the last time. Now, Buffalo on top. Montreal. You have randomized this list 3 times. Buffalo. Gilbert Perreault wins this card. A quick recap. Just get back to our hits. So, Buffalo gets the quad jersey card. Boston gets the Baby Bo Burke card. And last is for Colorado Avalanche. So that concludes our break number 646 on 1 box of 1415 ITG Ultimate Vault. For those interested, we've got 6 box breaks ending tonight. We've got it. Also have a Ultimate Vault that ends at 10:30, and we also have a Superlative Vault that ends at 10. Some Artifact, Crown Royale, Titanium, Ultimate Collection. All that tonight on Box Breakers. Thank you all. My name is Gilles, your one-stop shop for box breaks.